Hello, in front of me I've got SHARK ChillPill. In this video I'll show you how to clean blades. To clean blades, firstly make sure that the power is off. Next, remove this cover by inserting into this hole something. This cover is actually the inlet filter. You can order new ones via Shark website. Once this is removed, use cotton swab or tweezers to gently wipe away any hair or debris on the blades. Replace the filter and unlock to use it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.